In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collections on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, organizing your items into collections can help you keep track of what you have and make your buying and selling experience more enjoyable. Let's dive right in by walking through this step-by-step process together. First things first, make sure that you're logged into your eBay account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once logged in, navigate over to the My eBay section. Under My eBay, you'll want to find and select My Collections. This is where the magic begins. Now that you're in My Collections, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Add Item. Go ahead and click on that, as this is how we're going to start creating your collection of treasured items. From here you have a few different options on how you want to add items to your collection. You can add items using a CSV file, which is a great option if you have a large inventory that you want to include all at once. Simply upload your CSV file and let eBay do the work for you. Alternatively, if you prefer a more guided approach, consider adding items using the eBay catalog. This feature allows you to search for items by specific details, ensuring you're adding just the right piece to your collection. If you've been making purchases on eBay and want to organize those into collections, you can add past purchases directly. It's a straightforward and efficient way to catalog items you've already acquired on the platform. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach and wish to add items one by one, you can also add items manually. Simply input the details of each item and you'll have a neatly organized collection in no time. Next, you'll need to select a category for your collection. Choose a category that best represents your items to keep things organized. Once you've picked the right category, it's time to enter a title for your collection, something descriptive that will be instantly recognizable to you. Don't forget to add photos of your items. A picture truly is worth 1,000 words and can help you quickly identify items in your collection. Following this, please enter the purchase price and purchase date for each item. This information can be invaluable for keeping track of your collection's overall value. Finally, fill in the additional info section. Here you can include details such as the condition of the item, card name, or any other pertinent information that helps describe your piece. Once you've populated all the necessary fields, simply click Add Item to finalize your collection entry. And there you have it, you've successfully created a collection on eBay. This method of organizing your inventory not only keeps your collection tidy, but also makes it easier to manage as it grows. Happy collecting!